It was supposed to be a quiet afternoon at the bar, but she had other plans. Once arrested, she quickly turned it into a 10-second meltdown. Let's see what happened.
Okay. Do you have any medical conditions?
No.
No? Why are you acting like this if you only had a few to drink?
She does have some.
How do you know her?
I'm confused. If anything.
Okay.
Just from the street and passing on. And.
Okay. What are you doing, honey?
I'm sorry. If anything, I'm emotional.
Okay. Calm down. I need you to calm down for a second, okay? Take a couple deep breaths.
If anything, just give me a millisecond to relax. Riley, calm down. What the is happening right now? Chill out, okay? Stop.
Sweetheart, right now you're in handcuffs, but you're not under arrest.
I don't care. What the happened just now? Honey, please.
You want to trespass?
I trust you. Please tell me. Stop. Okay. What did I do? Please don't explain. You know what? You got out of control.
41 Leesburg. She's in pain for the moment.
All right, stop it. Okay? I'm out of control. I'm not gonna. Please talk to me.
I'm trying to talk to you, but you won't talk to me.
Can I talk to you?
Absolutely.
The cops tried to calm her down. She answered with chaos. She punched a security guard, tried to bite everyone else, and treated every question like it was a personal insult. So much for cooperation.
Got some issues. I don't know what her issues are.
Okay. Is that hers or yours?
You need to off.
Okay. All right.
You need to back up.
You get it? Talk to me. Can you stand there? I got her. She's fine.
You got her?
Yes.
Talk about him. Oh,
Okay.
I have a problem
Harley.
against you.
Harley.
All right.
Turn and talk to me. Just me. Don't worry about her. Okay? What's going on?
Fuck off that.
Fine. Please go over there. Thank you. All right. She's gone.
She is the reason.
Okay. Okay. Why are you so upset?
It doesn't even matter.
Huh?
It doesn't even matter what I think.
Okay. Do you drink a lot?
No.
You hardly ever drink?
No.
Where do you live at, sweetie?
I live in downtown Leesburg.
Okay. Do you go to school there?
I'm telling you, my arms being stuck in the weight of the arms.
No. They're nice and loose, sweetie. They're nice and loose.
Please take my arms out, please.
You have somebody I can call to come get you.
Please.
Huh? Do I need to have you checked out by a medic?
I don't need to be checked out by a medic.
Okay.
I'm right here.
Okay.
You just need to take my hands.
I'm not going to take you out of handcuffs so you calm down because you're getting ready to hurt yourself and other people.
I don't need to, quote unquote.
She went full drama mode, screaming, kicking, and acting like the cops were auditioning for a horror movie. Turns out, the only thing hurting her was her own imagination.
Fucking
Why'd you just bite me? Why did you just bite me?
You just looked at me like I was crazy.
No.
I'm not crazy. I'm mentally ill. You're not listening. You're not listening.
No. Come on, stand up.
You look at me. You look at me.
Stop.
Give me a
Stop. I'm trying.
He isn't hurting you at all.
Stop.
Give me a millisecond and
I'm trying.
He's not hurting you at all.
I didn't do.
He is not hurting you at all.
Look at me.
I'm looking at you. I'm the guy that you punched in the face.
I don't know what's going on.
I'm simple.
I don't know.
You need to just relax. Just relax. That's all you gotta do.
I just want my parents
Well,
to be
your
alive.
parents ain't here. They're in Tampa.
No, they aren't.
Same lady,
They're
signal through
what?
Honey, just settle down.
You're not fucking listen.
Stop.
Just settle down. Just settle
down.
Settle down.
Just let me talk.
Well, I'm trying. I've been trying to get you to talk.
Cutting me out.
Honey, he's been trying to talk to you. All you gotta do is talk to him. Just settle down.
I just want to go home.
39 valid, 54,
I just want to go home.
We know you want to go home.
No shit. Yeah, right. All right.
But you know what?
I didn't do jack. All right.
She's a kicker and a biter.
I want to go home.
I don't know what's wrong with her. She said she hasn't had that much to drink, so I'm assuming it's reacting to her medication.
I just want to go home.
Okay.
I
Can you tell me your
What
name?
did she have to drink?
just in this.
What's your first name?
Okay.
Back to 39 valid.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Please talk to me.
Okay. Okay. Focus on my voice, okay? Hey.
I just want to go home.
Okay, if you want to go home, let's start with your name, okay? What is it?
Come here.
No, she's calming down, please. Calming down.
Tell me right here.
No, you get her fired up. I'm sorry, hon, but you get her fired up. I just got bit, so please.
I just want to tell
Lay
you
down.
the
Let's lay
truth.
down.
Come on.
Okay.
Easy.
I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna lay down.
I just want to tell you the truth. Baby, please.
You didn't get any idea.
Huh?
You didn't get any idea.
I didn't have a chance to go through her purse. I immediately had to just detain her.
It's wrong with you. I just want
Well,
to
she's 10 for
tell
10. She bit me. Trying to kick. I think she's a student.
I have no right to live at this point. Just break my arm.
tell
No,
me your
we're
name?
not doing that. Stop.
Hey, stop moving
can't-
around.
What do you mean?
Stop. Stop kicking.
What the did I do to you?
You bit me for one.
What did I do? I don't remember doing it. Please
Okay.
help me.
Calm down. Take some deep breaths.
Yeah,
Take some deep breaths.
Deep breath like earlier,
Like,
okay?
I mean, I would think you.
Okay, hey, let's lay down. Let's lay down. Deep breath. Deep breath. There you go. Good job.
Yo, I'm saying it genuinely. I don't remember what I got.
Any medications in there?
Hey, don't work
Joe?
yourself up. Don't work
Okay.
yourself up. Focus on me, okay? Breathe in.
Don't work yourself. Then please get me a. Please, I'm stuck.
Rubbing
My arm. My arm is making me anxious.
Okay.
Please let me out. I don't want to hurt anyone. I promise. I don't
You
want to
punched the
hurt
bouncer. You bit me. You're trying to kick. Ma'am, no, you get her fired up. Thank you, though.
Is this her blood?
My
I don't know whose blood it
parents
is.
are freezing.
Officers noticed blood on her pants and tried to check for injuries, a normal safety move, but she answered with more screaming, like volume was going to heal her faster.
She has blood on her pants.
Yeah, I see that. I don't know where it's from.
Look
Are
at
you
me.
bleeding anywhere?
Look at me.
Are you bleeding anywhere?
I genuinely saying.
Stop trying to kick, please.
Just give me a second.
Take all the time you want. Joe, look at her phone.
let's-
I have
Hey.
no
Find
other
a number
reason.
for
Hey.
mom and see what kind of medication she's on.
Back to 203 valid, 5449.
Please, somebody, but I just want to see my mom.
Okay, we're going to get her on the phone, okay? We're going to get her on the phone, okay?
I need to get the out of her. What did I do?
Hey, it's locked.
I got upset.
Hey, what's your code, dude? I'm gonna call your family.
Watch, she's trying to bite you.
What
Lay
the
down.
Do you know your family's phone number?
I'm gonna find fuck. Look at me.
Call Beacon Security and see if they have it on file. She lives out. She told me she went to Beacon.
Quit bucking. Okay?
Stop.
Let's lay down.
We're trying to get your mom on the phone. We need your passcode, sweetie.
I just want to see my. I just. Please, please look at me. Please. I just want to see my mom. I just want my mom. Please. Please.
I don't think she's got scrapes. That's about it right there.
Somebody help me.
Huh?
I just want my
Yeah, I'm fine. She didn't break skin. Huh? No, she did not break it.
I just want Mom. If anything, I just want my mom. You could literally take me 40 months from now. I just want to.
You know your dad's phone number?
I don't care what about he is. I know. You guys are making this way bigger than it actually is.
Okay, do you live with your mom?
I did call for EMS, right? I did get out.
It doesn't matter. You guys are taking it as. Now, please let me take my pants. Please. I have no other shit. I have no. I
I'm gonna
just
tuck
want
your shirt
my
in, okay?
I just am trapped. I have no other reason to take anyone ever, regardless. I don't even care. I don't even care about who takes me. I just want her to take me because I have no other way to go.
Okay, lay down.
I promise you, I have nothing.
We're just gonna check you out, okay?
I just want to.
Lisa's a student at Beacon. She only had a few drinks in here and she started acting like this. I think she's having a reaction to alcohol and her medication. Yes, she is. She's already punched the bouncer and bit me. What? She punched the bouncer and bit me.
She bit you?
It didn't break it.
Get tested.
No, it didn't break the skin.
She has
No.
blood on her, but we don't know where it's from.
Somebody help me,
Stretcher over
please!
beside her. Let's get her stretcher off the ground.
Who the f*** is touching my arm? Please let me!
Hey, that mouth.
I need help! I need help! Who the f*** is treating me like I'm not human? What the f*** is happening right now?
A biter.
What the f*** is happening?
I don't know. You tell me what brought us here.
I don't even know. I just want to...
Hey, can you take any medication for anything that you need to know about?
Yes, fine.
We tried calling her mom.
Who the f*** is banding my arms? I can't breathe and my arms hurt.
I will get those handcuffs off her so we can get her side.
You gotta go in the front.
My arm is right behind me.
Come on, calm down.
My arm is not going to kill anyone. Just want my mom. Please, somebody help me.
Hey.
Yes.
She will bite.
Okay.
I just want my mom, jackass. Yeah, real funny. I just want my mom.
They're pretty
I just want my mom. I have nothing.
When he's done, aren't gonna go anywhere if you want to get the...
I have nothing else. I have nothing else.
Oh, we're giving her sleeping meds? Yeah. You want to do that first before we take the handcuffs off? And yes, let's do that first. Can I have some of that too? Right there.
I don't know if you want this.
It's already one of those
Someone
meds.
give me a little more of the backstory.
I have no idea. She said she lives downtown. I asked her if she goes to Beacon College. I tried to get any medication she might be on because she only had a few drinks here, according to them, like 2 drinks.
Where's my?
But she wasn't like this one.
No.
Where's my? Please, he's right there. Don't, please, I beg you.
Don't
Get the sheet over your head if you
don't bite. Come on.
Look at me. What the f did I just swear? Push to the sheet.
You're spitting on people and you're trying to bite people. That's what you
What
did
did
to
I
deserve
do?
this. I just told you what you did.
I just want my mom. I just want my mom. I can't move my arms.
Let me know when you're ready.
I can't. I just want my mom.
We're trying to call your mom now, okay? As soon as we get her on the phone, I'm sure she'll be on her way.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
If I called you before.
What's your code to get in your phone so your mom will answer your phone? Calm down. Take a breath.
Slow your breathing down.
Cecil.
I just want my mom, please. I can't breathe. Please let me.
Here, look at your phone. Look at your phone.
I need reassurance that my mom is okay, please.
Okay, then what's your 4-digit code?
Don't bite him. Come on.
Oh,
Almost.
I'm all emotionally here. I have no other way to go. Please, I'm begging. I have no other way to go.
You almost got it.
Try that a few different ways.
I know. Maybe this. You got to scoot up.
What the shit is somebody grabbing my arm? What did I do?
And bring that back around.
Wait, she's got to go all the way up.
Oh, well, no, she's high at the bottom. No, there's plenty of room.
I just want to go home.
There.
I don't know what's going on. I just want to go home. My parents are emotionally not emotionally capable for this shit. Please let me.
Stop wiggling around.
What the
Stop wiggling around.
You ready for the cuffs to come off, Alan? Or you want to wait till we get to the hospital? Let's wait till we get to the hospital. All right.
I don't even give a SWAT ass. What? Talk to me. Please just talk to me. I feel like I'm out of your emotional breakdown. Please let me.
She bit me, but I don't think she broke the skin, so I was just looking at.
I'll go.
You'll follow?
Yeah.
Let me the go. Let me the go. It's not you. Oh my God.
It was trespass, refusing to leave.
Huh?
Trespass, refusing to leave.
We want to trespass because she punched the bouncer.
She also
But what was the
somebody else.
what was the 10-15 for? It was for trespassing.
He does it?
No, he just came up to me to show. That's where the blood you guys saw came from.
Ah, okay, from him? Okay.
She bit into his stump pretty decently, but he didn't want to follow for
Okay. We're trying to call her mom. It's going straight to voicemail. We're trying to get in touch with Beacon Security so they got emergency contact to see what kind of medication she might be on.
That's all they know here.
Yeah.
Just a couple drinks.
Couple drinks shit out of me. Okay. But I'm not gonna press charges.
Right.
Y'all do what y'all do.
Thanks.
Work out what y'all got.
10-15 was for trespass. She refused to leave.
No, it's 10-15 because she bit me.
Oh, I thought that was after the 10-15. Okay.
No, she was detained because she's out of control and she's banging all over the place, and I didn't want her to hurt herself.
Do not do that, honey. Do not do that.
Then just restrain it right there.
Hey, whoever the said, honey, can I please just talk to you?
Hold on, they're open. It'll gag her.
This is, but just give me a millisecond, please. Oh my God.
We're going to control that arm, and we're going to flip this
Bye. Stop. I want to go. I just want to go.
Pull her leg back so you can get in there.
Huh?
I had nothing.
Put my cuppies in this there.
Where's mine? Office.
They're not there. Yeah.
Hey, shut the f up, whoever is border.
In the end, her night out came with a souvenir list of charges: assault on an officer, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and trespassing. Not exactly the kind of collection you brag about. So, what did we learn today? Maybe yelling, biting, and punching your way through an arrest isn't exactly a winning strategy. But hey, if Chaos had a loyalty program, she'd be platinum. Stick around because the next meltdown is just one bad decision away.